Welcome to Teach Tech channel. Myself Karthik PS. Let us start session 8. In session 8, I am going to explain string concatenation, string format, and escape characters in a string. Let us start string concatenation. The Python programming language supports combining two or more strings using a plus operator. Plus operator in Python used not only for adding numbers, it also allows to add the two different type of strings. So let us execute and see the example. Let us create two strings. The first string hello will be stored in a variable x, and let us store another string in y, that is Python. Now using a z variable, we can combine x and y string, and you can see the content of z, the concatenated string, that is hello Python. So this is how the string can be concatenated with the help of the plus operator. Now if you want to add a space between the word in a given string, that is hello Python, in the previous example we don't have a space. Hence if you want to add a space between the words, you can go for using z equal to, you can combine two variables with a plus operator, and along with giving a space, then you can combine with the variable y. And now to try to print the value of a z, shows the concatenated string by giving a space between the two concatenated strings. So this is how the string concatenation works in Python. Now let us move to the string format. So what is this string format tells you in Python? For example, if you want to use two different type of data. For example, you want to concatenate a numeric data with a string data, then follow creating a numeric variable, create a string variable, my register number is equal to double quotes. With the help of the plus operator, you can combine. If you try to combine two different data types cannot be combined, that is, you cannot perform concatenation of two dissimilar data types. For this, Python provides a string format method. Using the string format method, you can combine, you can concatenate two dissimilar data types. For this, whenever we are using the format method in a Python, we have to use a placeholder, and that placeholder represents the other data type value. The placeholder is denoted by a pair of flower brackets that should be enclosed in a double quotes as shown in the second example. Let us execute example. Let us create a numeric variable, that is register number. Now let us create a string variable text. My register number is equal to, use a placeholder that denotes a pair of flower brackets enclosed within a double quotes. And now you can use a format method for the string text dot format, and pass the data type value, that is numeric value. And now you can see an output, my register number is equal to 36. So this is how the Python allows us to concatenate dissimilar data types using the format method. The next is escape sequences. So what are the escape sequences in Python programming language? The escape sequences are the special characters that allow us to format the output. And remember, the escape sequence in Python always start with a backward slash and followed by a special character, that is the escape character. So the Python supports uh, 5 different types of escape characters. That is, if you want to add a single quote to the display string, you can use it slash single quote. If you want to highlight any particular word in a sentence with a double quote, then you can use backslash double quote. If you want to break the 2 different words of a string into 2 different lines, you can use slash n. That n denotes a new line, and slash t. If you want to give a space between the 2 words of a sentence, you can use slash t. If you want to add a backslash to the output string, then you can use double backslash. Now let us execute the escape sequences and see. For this, first you have to create a string text equal to my class is Python. For example, you want to highlight the Python using a single quote. And when you do this, if you try to print the value of a text, it is highlighted, even because the string in Python also uses a single quote way of a representation. You can use the same pattern. You can use a escape sequence, that is with the help of backslash, single quote, Python slash single quote. And now if you try to print the value of a text, you can see the word is highlighted with a single quote. And you can go for the next escape sequence, that is double quotes. You can create a string, my class is Python. For example, if you want to enclose this Python word in a double quotes, now it throws an error because in a Python, a double quotes inside another double quotes is not permitted. For such a thing, we are depending on the escape sequence. You can create a text. If you want to highlight a particular word or a particular statement with a double quotes, then you can use the escape sequence backslash double quote Python and use again backslash and double quotes, again one more double quotes, and this will accept and escape the double quotes and highlight it as a word with a double quotes. You can use a print function and use a text, and now you can see the word double quote highlights the word Python in a given string text. Now if you want to print 2 statements of a string, you can use a slash n that breaks the string into 2 different types. Okay, so now you can use a print to text, and you can see my class is displayed in separate line. After slash n, that is new line, is Python is printed. And if you want to give a space between the words in a string, you can use slash p to give a space, that is between the words. My class is Python. Now you observe the text between my and class words of a string text. I have not given any space, but I have used the escape sequence slash p, that is tab. And now when I try to print the value of a text, you can see there is a space, a tab space given between the word and class in the output. Next you have a backslash. If you want to insert the backslash in a string, then you can use the double backslash. One backslash tells you escape sequence or a escape character, and another backslash used for displaying the backslash on the string. So I'll use my class double backslash is Python, and now if I try to print the value of a text, now you can see backslash is inserted into the output text. This is a way we can format the output in a Python programming language using a escape sequence. Thank you viewers for watching the video.